Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add threads badge on Instagram. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the app, and now you can tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you can reach this type of page. Make sure that you downloaded the threads application. After this, you can see the option edit profile at the middle left of the screen. Tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, you can just simply see the option show threads badge. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now you can just enable the option show threads badge. After enabling the option, go back and here you can see the threads badge is shown on my profile, and it is a way you can add threads badge to profile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.